everybody, how you doing? I'm Billy Garzone over at PeabodyGuitarLessons.com. So today we're going to learn how to play rhythm guitar, or how to properly strum the guitar. So you go online and you see the tabs, and the tabs have the arrows pointing down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, or D or U meaning down, up. Today we're going to look at what that means and how to actually learn how to do that on our own and learn the system behind it. So in music, we have what are called downbeats and upbeats. So downbeats are when I strum down, upbeats are when I strum up. So think of this, downbeats, upbeats, down, up, right? All works together. So what we're going to start doing is we're going to start by counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and strumming down on those. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as a general rule, I always say numbers are a down. So a number, 1, I'm going to move down. 2, 3, 4. If I'm counting a number, I'm going to move my hand down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what I'm not doing is I'm not counting the up right now, because 1, I'm going to move up. 2, I'm going to move up. I'm going to add that up in, and that's going to be my and. So it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the upbeat is the and. That's right. Numbers on a down, ands on an up. 1 and 2 and down, up, down, up. So let's do this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now the cool thing is, I'm going to do the first one, which is quarter notes. When I go 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm just counting quarter notes. When I go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, I'm counting eighth notes. So I'm going to go quarter notes, and then I'm going to play eighth notes. I want you to watch the motion of my hand. It's not going to change. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I'm doubling my strum, but I'm not changing my motion. The motion for the quarter note and the eighth note is the exact same thing. I'm just not strumming. I'm just not catching the strings on the up. I'm only catching them on the down. On the eighth note, I'm catching it on the both up and down. So I call this constant motion theory. It's my own personal theory. Came up with it a long time ago. I've been playing guitar for over 30 years, and I've got a lot of things I came up with over the years. So this is going to teach us what I call right hand or right arm mechanics for your right arm, right hand mechanics. What should my right hand be doing? Or if you play lefty, left hand. And it should be doing this constant steady down up motion, and you should be learning how to count those quarter notes and eighth notes, so the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So then what I do is we're going to apply that now. I'm going to apply it by taking those quarter notes and eighth notes and doing a combination and see how this becomes a rhythm. So I'm going to do 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I'm always going down, up, but I'm not striking the strings every time. I'm going to do 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. Strike the strings. Strike, 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 strike. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. Never changing that hand motion. Now if I take this and put a chord to it, dirt off. There we go. One, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Let's look at it from another perspective. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Let me speed it up. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3. playing. I'm playing 1, 2, and 3, and 4 and. Very simple, very basic, just like we did in the very beginning of this. Let's look at another one. Let's do another combination. So basically when I'm strumming a rhythm, I'm doing these combinations of quarter notes and eighth notes, all within this constant motion theory. Let's do 1, 2, and 3, 4 and. So we're going to do 1, 2, and 3, 4 and. 1, 2, and 3, 4 and. Which would also be like down, down, up, down, down, up. Instead of going down, down, up, down, down, up, I have a count. I have 1, 2, and 3, 4 and, which means I actually know what I'm doing. 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 1. Let me speed that up for you. Let's speed that up. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 1. One, 2, and 3, 4 and 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 1. That's all I'm doing. 1, 2, and 3, 4. I'm just doing it fast. So when you hit these really fast, cool rhythms, a lot of times it's just the exact same simple quarter note, eighth note strum, same exact motion, but just sped up. So hopefully you can take this stuff and just keep this constant motion going. Count those down, count those quarter notes and eighth notes, and get strumming. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day.